How to design the children's room with flair. In brief, forget about clichés. Use safe, durable materials as a finishing. Arrange convenient storage systems. Watch the video for details. If you decide to implement ideas from the video in your apartment, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. It would seem that a children's room is a perfect place to let your imagination run riot. Here you can use the most daring color combinations, large patterns and prints. The main thing is to know when to stop. Tip 1. Forget about clichés. You don't have to paint the walls in the boys' room blue and in the girls' room pink, as well as to choose wallpapers with cartoon characters. Children grow up fast and their tastes change, and they will eventually get terribly annoyed with all these unicorns and fairies on the walls. If you can't decide on the general direction, stick to the Scandinavian style. Despite its simplicity, this is the best option for a children's room. Neutral wall decoration and a minimum set of furniture make the room feel spacious and provide a great background for bright accents. Another advantage is that it is versatile and can be easily adapted to the child's preferences. If you want to turn the children's room into a jungle, just put live plants in the room, add textiles with a monstera leaves pattern, or put a rattan chair. Just don't overuse bright colors. It should be comfortable for a child not only to play in the room, but also to sleep there. Tip 2. Use safe, durable materials. Use washable wallpaper or paint for the walls. Thus, it will be much easier to keep the room clean, and you'll have to do repairs less often. If you aren't too scared to experiment, cover all or one of the walls with blackboard paint. It forms a durable coating after drying, which resembles a blackboard for drawing with colored chalk. Later, you can erase the drawings with a damp cloth. Thus, you can kill two birds with one stone. The kid will get a creative art workshop, and mom won't have to wipe paint and marker from all the objects that the young artist's hand can reach. Tip 3. Arrange storage systems. You should combine open and closed systems. For example, you can put books with bright bindings on open shelves or shelvings. However, construction toys and excessively bright plastic toys can be hidden in closed boxes. Vintage wooden furniture is also suitable for arranging the child's room. Just make sure that all the surfaces are thoroughly sanded and the chest of drawers legs, for example, are securely attached to the base. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Good luck with your repair and embrace the changes.